Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is ExpressVPN and AVG VPN. So to get started, in 2025 Express and AVG VPN offer a different experience based on what you need. ExpressVPN is known for strong security, super fast speed, and excellent streaming support. It works on almost all device, has thousands of servers worldwide, and it is trusted for its strict no log policy and privacy audit. It's perfect for people who want a smooth, secure, and reliable VPN experience without hassle. Talking about AVG secured VPN on the other hand, it is simpler and more affordable. It's best for basic online privacy. It has a fewer server and locations, and streaming support isn't always guaranteed. It's decent option for beginners or those who already use AVG antivirus and want a simple VPN included. So here's the overall conclusion. You can simply pick ExpressVPN if you want top security, fast speed, and a full streaming access. But on the other hand, you can choose AVG VPN if you are on a budget or just need a basic privacy tools for casual browsing, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these two VPN platforms, which is ExpressVPN and AVG VPN. Thanks.